Good morning, children. Today's session for ninth class is on the topic Importance of Upward Communication Skill, Unit 6. The contents of this topic are introduction, objectives, importance, advantages, and disadvantages. Communication is a very important part in the business environment. Managers must be able to communicate with the employees, and employees must be able to communicate with the managers. Upward communication is the process of information flowing from the lower levels to the upper levels. For the top management, upward communication is an important source of information for the business decision. The communication in which the flow of communication goes from superiors to subordinate are called downward communication. The communication in which flow of communication goes from subordinate to superiors are called upward communication. Each employee is permitted to directly communicate with the top management about the various matters. Upward communication is the flow of information from frontline employees to managers, supervisors, and directors. Upward communication helps employees to express their requirement, ideas, and feelings. What are the objectives of upward communication skills? Face-to-face discussion, staff meeting, written reports, suggestion box, counseling, democratic management in general, respond, improve and encourage in decision making. Let's discuss about the advantages of upward communication skills. Feedback. It provides feedback from employees. As a result, the communication cycle completes and management can realize the reaction of the employees. Constructive ideas. Upward communication allows the employees to inform their views regarding the implementation of company policies. Helps in decision making. Establish good relationship between executives and employees. Mutual trust. Enhance coordination between employees and executives. Upward communication seems easier enough, but sometimes employees face sufficient barriers to communicate with the managers. Here we are going to discuss about the disadvantages. Filtering. When employee passes the message through supervisor may change the message. Upper management may not receive the intended message sent by the employee. Delay. Sometimes lower level employee hesitate to inform a problem to upward because of failure. It can delay the message. Non-cooperative attitude. Non-cooperative attitude to the executives damage the willingness of the employees to initiate upward communication. Types of upward communication. Organizational communication, forward compatibility, superior subordinate communication, non-verbal communication. Organizational communication. Organizational communication is defined as the channels and forms of communication that occur within organization, such as corporations, non-profits, and governmental body. It includes both communication within an organization and public-facing communication. The flow of communication could be either formal or informal. Communication flowing through formal channels are downward, horizontal, and upward, whereas communication through informal channels are generally termed as grapevine. Forward compatibility communication. Forward compatibility is the ability of an IT system to be compatible with or to support a similar version of itself in the future. Forward compatibility is a design characteristics that allows a system to gracefully accept input intended for a later version of itself. It includes the concept can be applied to entire system electrical interfaces, telecommunication, signals, data communication protocols, file formats, and computer programming languages. Superior subordinate communication. Superior subordinate communication is communication between a manager and those who directly report to manager. Superior communication includes both upward and downward communication. Satisfying upward and downward communication is essential for a successful organization because it closes the gap between superior and subordinate by increasing trust, support, and frequency of their interaction. Relationship building is an important part of ensuring effective and transparent superior subordinate communication. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication between people is communication through sending and receiving messages. Non-verbal communication includes facial expression, the tone and pitch of the voice, gesture displayed through body language, and the physical distance between communicators. Upward flow of communication. Upward communication is the process by which lower level company employees can directly communicate with upper management to provide feedback, complaints, and suggestions. There are three levels of communication in management: lower management, middle management, and top management. Lower management who provides who supervise employees to make sure that work is performed correctly in time. Middle management who report to the top management, and top management who are responsible for overall performance of the organization. Upward communication mechanism: suggestion boxes, employee surveys, MIS report, face to face conversation, meeting, sharing of reports. Face to face conversation is the conversation where managers communicate with the employees. Some useful tips of on how to improve face to face communication skills. Body posture: you may think that words are all there is to communicate, but your body posture speaks volume as well. Maintain eye contact, choose your words well, be audible, and listen carefully. MIS reports are the reports required by the management to assess the performance of the organization and allow for faster decision making. Reports provide business managers at all levels a concise and comprehensive view of business daily activities and help them to evaluate these business processes, discover problem, and make decision. Then meeting. A meeting is a group communication in action around a defined agenda at a set time. It increases engagement and collaboration, increase accountability, opportunities for personal growth, problem solving together, ability to make everyone feel included. Sharing of reports. Sharing of reports, uh, lower level of management share reports to top level of management. Sharing reports also solve the problems related to um, related to work. Managers coordinate the activities identified in the planning and employees report them. All in all, upward communication is very vital and crucial source of information for the upper management to make their business decision. It assists them to alert the senior most management regarding the changes required in the organization. Managers can gain feedback from employees that can aid in enhancing the development of organization. Employees who are motivated and urged to provide feedback feel a sense of belonging and respect that their opinion matters. Frontline employees who work every day can usually tell managers if a certain operation or activity works or doesn't work. Employees can be contributing factor in making new policies or amending the outdated ones. Thus, outward communication can be extremely useful for an organization. Thank you.